Hello everybody, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn some common Farsi Dari words. I'm going to say the word at the same time I make sentence for each word we study together. So at the same time, you can pause the video and repeat the word again and again so that word stick into your mind. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. So what is the first word? The first word is pain. So how do we say pain in Farsi Dari? Dard. Dard. So now here, if I say this person is sick or this patient is sick, how do I put it? I maris dard dara. So dara here it means has. He has a pain, or this patient has a pain. U maris or I maris dard dara. So dard is pain, dara is has. So literally he has a pain. او درد داره. And the next one is temperature, which is حرارت. Now if I say the patient's temperature is high, how do I put it in Dari Farsi? So I say حرارت بدن مریض بالا است. حرارت بدن مریض بالا است. So one more time. حرارت بدن مریض بالا است. Tab is fever. So if I say this patient has fever, so I say I maris tab dara. I maris tab dara. Okay, now let's go to next word. So the next word is nurse. We say nurse. In English it is nurse. In Farsi that is nurse or parastar. Okay, parastar or nurse. So if I say this is a nurse, so how do I say I nurse است? I nurse است. Okay, the last word, patient. So مریض. I شخص مریض است. I شخص means person. I شخص مریض است. Okay, everybody, that is the end of the video for today's lesson. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, so you can hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and looking forward to seeing you in the next videos.